Hello, learners. I hope that you have already learned the theory of income determination. We have done marginal propensity to consume, marginal propensity to save, and multiplier also. I had also explained the theory of aggregate demand and aggregate supply also. Today we'll be doing some numericals related to consumption function and related to marginal propensity to consume and marginal propensity to save and multiplier. Because you know that in income determination lesson also you are going to get some of the what I want to say is that you'll be getting some of the numericals related to it. It may be in 3 marks question or 5 marks question. So I'm sharing some numericals and I'll be sharing the solutions also in the description section, so you can see it afterwards also. But at present you will try to learn it or understand it. So first thing is that what you should try to understand is that what is the question given and how you are going to find the solution and how you are going to explain it or answer it. Or we can also do it in the examination process wise, that how you're going to answer it and what examiner is expecting from you. Like first question is, see, calculate multiplier when MPC is 4 upon 5 and MPC, if one more MPC is given, means there are two values of MPC given is 1.2. So why they have given two values? Because you have to tell the relationship. From the calculations, establish the relationship between size of multiplier and size of MPC. That what will happen when size of MPC will increase? What will happen when size of MPC will decrease? So what is the relation between MPC? That you have to tell. Now see, MPC, first MPC we were given, it was 4 upon 5. This was the first MPC and we have calculated its value. It is 0.8. 4 upon 5. You can divide it and you can find. And then MPC, second MPC was given 0. Second MPC is given 1 upon 2, which is 0.5. We have calculated its value. And then we have calculated the value of first multiplier with the help of first MPC. 1 upon 1 minus MPC is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 0.8. Why we have taken 1 minus 1? Because this is the formula. The formula of K is, K is equal to 1 upon MPS. And when MPS is not given and MPC is given, we take 1 minus MPC. So that will be equal to 1 upon 1 minus 0.8. See, you can see here. And then it is equal to 1 upon 0.2. And that is equal to 5. Now the multiplier's value is 5. When the value of MPC was 0.8, the value of multiplier was 5. In the next part, you will see that K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC and we are finding multiplier according to 0.5. Okay. Now what is happening? 1 upon 1 minus 0.5 is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 0.5, which is equal to 2. See, now what happens is when MPC is more, value of K will be less. Okay, when MPC is more, the value of K will be less. When MPC is less, value of K will be more. There is direct relationship between MPS and there is inverse relationship between MPC. Okay, so when MPS will be more, value of multiplier will be more. When MPS will be less, value of multiplier will be less. This is known as direct relationship. Direct relationship means when one variable is increasing, the other variable will also increase. When one variable will decrease, another variable will also decrease. Inverse relationship means when first variable will increase, the second variable will decrease. And when first variable will increase, the second variable will decrease. I hope that you have understood it. So we'll be moving over to the next question. See, the next question, it is given, an increase of rupees 200 crore in investment leads to a rise in national income by 1,000 crores. Find out the marginal propensity to consume. Now you will say that how are we going to find? Because now they have given change in income, but they have not given us change in saving. They have not given us that. So how are we going to find marginal propensity to consume? But as they have not written that equilibrium level of income, if they would have written equilibrium level of income, then we would have taken investment as saving. Because I had already told you that if there is equilibrium level of economy at that stage, the investment is equal to saving. But they have not written that also. So what you have to do, you have to find value of k first. You can easily find value of k because the value of k, the formula is delta y upon delta I. That means change in income divided by change in investment. And you will take 1000 divided by 200 and the answer will come 5. The value of multiplier has come 5. And now with the help of value of multiplier, you can calculate MPS. How we can calculate? K is equal to 1 upon MPS. K is equal to 1 upon MPS. 5 is equal to 1 upon MPS. So MPS is equal to 1 upon 5. When we'll be cross multiplying it, we'll get in this manner. And then 1 upon 5 is equal to 0.2. MPC is equal to, if you want to find MPC, because you already know MPS, then it is very easy that you can, what you can do, 1 minus MPS. So 1 minus MPS means 1 minus 0.2, which is equal to 0.8. So students, I hope that you have understood. What you can do is, I'll be sharing these questions as well as the solution in the description section. First write the question and then try to solve it yourself. If you face any problem, then you can see the description section again and then you can get the understanding of how to solve these questions. Okay, it will come in 3 marks. So simultaneously I am telling you that how many marks question will be there from this. Okay, see this question again. In an economy, the equilibrium level of income. Now see, the economy is in equilibrium. When economy is in equilibrium, always remember that saving is equal to investment. So there is no problem. When the economy is in equilibrium, then investment is equal to saving. Remember this always. It will be very helpful for you to solve the questions. In an economy, the equilibrium level of income is rupees 1200 crore. This was equilibrium level of income. The ratio of marginal propensity to consume and marginal propensity to save is 3:1. We have done this question 3:1, where when it is there, then we can take MPC as 75% and MPS as 25%. Means our consumption is 75% and our change in saving is 25%. Calculate the additional investment needed to reach a new equilibrium level. Now they want to reach a new equilibrium level, and that new equilibrium level will be 20,000 crores. Earlier it was 1200 crores. So MPC is equal to 0.75 and MPS is equal to 0.25. And you already know that the MPS K is equal to 1 upon MPS. That means K is equal to 1 upon 0.25 is equal to 4. And you already know that K, the value of multiplier is delta Y upon delta I. So delta Y is what we are assuming should be 20,000 crores because we want the income of 20,000 crores. But we do not know the investment, sorry. We do not know about the investment. Nothing has been given about investment. They are asking you to calculate additional investment. And see, this value is useless for us. We do not need this value. This has been given just to confuse you. 1200 crores. It is not required. So now we have to calculate delta I. So 4 is equal to 20,000 divided by delta I. And when we cross multiply it, then we get delta I is equal to 20,000 divided by 4, which is equal to 5,000. So in this manner, we come to know that the additional investment which we need for coming to the level of 20,000 crore of new income is 5,000 crores. So this is the answer. So this question can also come in 3 marks question. So I have discussed 3 questions. See, I have discussed the question of relationship also. I have discussed the question of finding out multiplier also. And I hope that you have understood it. And if you have any problem, you can write in the comment section. I'll be responding to it. And as I've already told you, please subscribe my channel and share the link with other students, also your friends, also your classmates also, so that they may also take benefit of these videos, and they may also learn. In the next video also, we'll be doing similar kind of questions only. So thanks a lot, and keep learning, and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.